me zoom out and check what we're looking at. Woo! Wow. Right. This monthly chart, I think I'm just going to get rid of all the drawings. All the drawings. So, right. Those mean wicks down below here, most of them were already, this is a monthly chart. I'll zoom in just to see a little bit better on the levels as well. You know, what the actual strength, but it doesn't look amazing on the monthly chart. I'm just gonna draw a line here at this level because you can see the big green vector candles and how scary they look, because once this starts rolling, it has potential to drop all the way down here, all the way down here. Big drop, but let's not get freaked out yet. Level by level. Right. On the weekly chart, there's still some sort of a, it's not great, it's not really support, but you can see on the weekly, this was like an SR flip here, so we had resistance and support here. So when we zoom into the daily, it obviously was a level where consolidated here, it came up to this level here and hit it once, about twice, 3 times here, rejected just to the mid-range, and then kept climbing very nicely up and up and up. So just even if this was to drop, and you can see now going on the EMAs here now as well, we're below, we're hitting the head, you know, this is crossing with the 50, this is 800 EMA on the daily. So it's kind of working as like this resistance, it's getting caught. How strong this support on FTT around this level is going to be, so you know, up to about the $20 mark remains to be seen. If it drops, if it starts rolling, you know, you have some levels here of like a $15 mark, but those are not really great supports. Those are just like, you know, levels where you had your reaction, you had your, you know, like that sort of a psychological level to work off, where it kind of flipped, where you saw rejection here and then bounced, slashed through it. If you are looking to accumulate this, I'd give it a little, I mean, buying right now, you would have to mentally prepare yourself for seeing this bag drop potentially a lot lower. I cannot predict, cannot say and tell you that's about 50% drop to around this level here, and then obviously another stronger support is another 80%. So this really didn't correct that much since we started dropping. It had obviously a drop. Okay, well, average, sorry, I misspoke. So on the average, alts are already down around that. If some are actually down a little bit more. It didn't look like it was that much, but I suppose it depends. It depends, guys. I mean, on the strength of the market and how this level is going to hold. I really cannot say it is very strong support. It's not bad, but obviously if the market keeps rolling, it will bring this down with, and then hoping to get in lower. You see where some of the bags you could load up on in around certain levels like here, and then maybe a little bit here if it came down to that level here, but potentially seeing that to drop, correct in the next weeks, months is not out of the question. That's what FTT is telling me right now. It's hitting its head on the EMAs. I just forgot all about my favorite alpha trend. Yeah, so that's consolidation zone. There isn't really, any action. It's actually good to see that with the current market, it's not moving drastically down. It's been holding above this level for quite a while. This has been working as $20.50 has been working as a level of bounce. Based on that, you could hope for a trade around this level again, and another reversal around here. But just be careful. Just remember about your risk management, and whether you're trading this or want to get in for long term. Because if you were to buy in this area here, there are chances of this support not holding and FTT rolling lower, and you're back losing a lot more value. But if you're prepared for that, if you're here to accumulate, you will just do fine with this. I hope that is okay for you, Ruben.
Thank you.
Awesome. I'm going to wrap it up because like I said, I'm just basically running like a headless chicken these days because of the kids at home. I'm going to try and get this out to you as soon as possible, and you can watch through the videos on my YouTube and go back if you missed anything. So have a great day, guys. Have a great week, and I'll be chatting to you soon. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
Thank you.